In today's video, we are going to deploy a Vite React application to Vercel. For this video, I have a basic Vite React application using React Router. As you can see, it is very basic and only has a few pages. This application is also in a GitHub repository, as we will need one to deploy to Vercel. If you would like a video on how to put your React application into a GitHub repository, please let us know in the comments. Now that we have a GitHub repository with our Vite React application, let's go to vercel.com/login. Then I am going to log in by clicking the Continue with GitHub button. Now logged in, I am going to click the Add New drop-down button, then the Project button. Then I'm going to click the Install button. Then on the GitHub confirmation page that has just opened, I am going to click the green Install button. Then click the Import button next to the Vite React application repository you want to deploy. Give the project a name and add any environmental variables, then just click Deploy. Then, if successful, just click on the preview and you should be directed to your deployed site.